Hello, buddies. Welcome to our channel Sri Vignan Academy, a place where you can learn, unlearn, and relearn. At Sri Vignan Academy, we believe that learning is a lifelong journey. Whether you are a student, a curious mind, or someone looking to refresh your knowledge, you are in the right place. Hello, Gautam. How are you? Gautam, do we have numbers bigger than 10,000? I find it difficult to read such big numbers. Can you help me with this?
Yes, of course. We do have numbers greater than 10,000. Our mobile number is an example of bigger numbers. But don't worry, Sheetal, we can read it in a easy way.
So let's begin our topic, numbers beyond 10,000. Before knowing the numbers beyond 10,000, we must know what are digits. Digits are the single numbers used to represent values in mathematics. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are known as digits. Digits are the single numbers used to represent values in mathematics. 0 to 9 are known as digits. Smallest single digit is 0, largest single digit is 1. Then, what are numbers? A number is a digit or a group of digits used to represent a count or a quantity. A number is a digit or a group of digits used to represent a count or a quantity. A number can be a single digit, two digit, three digit, and so on. Example 6, 76, 0, 987, 12,678, etc. In this chapter, we will discuss some concepts of place value, face value, predecessor, successor, ascending order, descending order, rounding off the numbers to tens, hundreds, and thousands. Children, do you know what is the smallest single digit number and what is the greatest single digit number? Or what is the smallest four digit number and what is the greatest four digit number? So to have the idea of such concepts, we have a table here. Look at the table here. Here digit, smallest number and greatest number are given to you. The single digit smallest number is 0 and the greatest number is 9. The two digit smallest number is 10 and the greatest number is 99. How you got this 10? When you add 1 to the single digit greatest number, that is 9. 9 plus 1, that is 10. 10 is the smallest two digit number, whereas 99 is the greatest two digit number. 3 digit smallest number is 100 and 3 digit greatest number is 9, 9 999, and 4 digit smallest number is 1000 and the greatest number is 9999. So in this way we have till 7 digits and we can extend the digits also. So here is a table so that you can remember which is the smallest number and which is the greatest number.
Sheetal, do you know the meaning of place value and face value? Let me explain this to you. The place value of a digit indicates its place or a position in a number. The place value of a digit in a number changes depending on the place of a digit. Then what is face value? The face value of a digit is the value of the digit itself. Place value of a number change, but the face value will remain the same.
Here is one example given to you. Write the place value and the face value for the digits in the number 3582. First, write the place values of the given number. 2 is in ones place, 8 is in tens place, 5 is in hundreds place, 3 is in thousands place. Now come to the place value. What is the place value of 2 here? 2 is in ones place, so multiply 2 with its place value, that is 1. 2 into 1, that is 2. And what is the face value of 2 here? Face value will be the number itself, that means 2. Face value of 2 is 2. Now come to 8. What is the 8 is in which place? 8 is in tens place. So multiply 8 with its place value 10. 8 into 10. What is 8 into 10? It is 80. And what is the face value of 8 here? 8. So place value is 80 and face value is 8. Now come to the next number, next digit, that is 5. 5 is in which place? 5 is in hundreds place. Now multiply 5 with its place value, that is 100. 5 into 100, that is 500. Now what is the face value of 5 here? That means face value of 5 is the 5 itself. Now come to the next digit, that is 3. What is the place value of 3 here? 3 into multiply its place value, that is 1000. 3 is in thousands place. So you will multiply 3 with 1000. 3 into 1000, that is 3000. And what is the face value here? 3. To represent any bigger numbers or to read any bigger numbers, we have two systems of numeration. One is the Indian system of numeration and the other one is international system of numeration. In India, we follow Indian place value chart, whereas when we go around the world, we follow international place value chart. In this, we will see what is Indian place value chart. Here, Indian place value chart consists of periods, places, and how to place the numbers. Here, ones period contains ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands period contains thousands, 10,000. Lakhs period contain lakhs and 10 lakhs. They are represented as 0, T, H, TH, TTH, L, TL. For example, a number is given to you, 2,50,326. What is the digit in the ones place? You have 6. So place 6 in the ones place. And what is the digit in the tens place? 2. Place 2 in the tens place. And what is the digit in the hundreds place? 3. Place 3 in the hundreds place. And what is the digit in the thousands place? 0. Place 0 in the thousands place. And what is the digit in the 10,000s place? 5. Place 5 in the 10,000s place. And what is the digit in the lakhs place? 2. So place 2 in the lakhs place. So in Indian place value chart, we start representing the numbers from extreme right and we place a comma after in between to separate thousands and hundreds. To separate thousands and hundreds, we place one comma, and after that to separate lakhs and 10,000, one comma is placed.
International place value chart. In this international place value chart, we represent numbers as periods, place values, and the number to be represented. Here, ones period contains ones, tens, hundreds. One contains ones, tens, hundreds. Thousand period contains thousand, 10,000, 100,000. And millions period contains millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. How will you represent a number here? Here, for example, a number given to you is, here one example is given to you. How will you represent this? It is shown in the chart. Here, 0 means ones, T means tens, H means hundreds, TH means thousands, TTH means 10,000, HTH means 100,000, M means 10, TM means 10 million, HM means 100 million. Here, commas are placed after every 3 digits to separate the place values. Commas are placed in the international place value after every 3 digits. In this way, we represent the numbers in the international place value chart. How will you read this number? The number, see here. How will you place this number in the place value chart? See, the number given to you is 658430721. So, what is the digit in the ones place? 1. Place 1 in the ones place. And what is the place 2? Place 2 in the tens place. What is the digit in the hundreds place? 7. Place 7 in the hundreds place. And what is the digit in the thousands place? It's 0. Place 0 in the thousands place. What is the digit in the 10,000 place? It's 3. Place 3 in the 10,000 place. What is the digit in the 100,000? So place 4 in the 100,000 place. Then what is the digit in the millions place? It's 8. Place 8 in the millions place. Then 10 million place, it's 5. 100 million place, it is 6. How will you represent it? How will you read the number? You will read the number as 68,658,430,721. 658,430,721. What is the difference between the Indian system and the international system? The difference between the Indian system and international system is starts after 10,000 places. See, till ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 systems are same, but representation from lakhs will change. Here in the Indian system we refer as lakh, whereas in the international system it is referred as 100,000. 1 lakh is referred in the international system as 100,000. In the Indian system, we represent 10 lakhs. In the international system, we represent 10 lakhs as million, 1 million. 10 lakhs is 1 million. This is the difference between Indian system and international system.
Then, what is standard form and the expanded form of a number? Standard form. When a number is written in its original form, it is said to be in the standard form. When a number is written in its original form, it is said to be in the standard form. Then what is expanded form? When a number is expressed as the sum of the place values of its digits, it is said to be in the expanded form of that number. When a number is expressed as the sum of the place values of its digits, it is said to be in the expanded form of that number. Here the number given to you is 32,729. What is the standard form of this number? It is 32,729. Then what is the expanded form? You will expand the number according to the place values. 3 is in 10,000's place. So 3 into 10,000 plus 2 into 1000 since 2 is in thousands place plus 7 into 100 since 7 is in hundreds place plus 2 into 10 since 2 is in tens place plus 9 into 1. You will simplify this and you will write it as 3 into 10,000, that is 30,000, 2 into 1000, that is 2000, plus 7 into 100, it is 700, plus 2 into 10, it is 20, plus 9 into 1, it is 9. Now there is no need to simplify it again, and the answer remains this: 30,000 plus 2,000 plus 700 plus 20 plus 9. If you simplify it again, you will get the standard form. So there is no need to simplify it, and the expanded form of 32,729 is 30,000 plus 2,000 plus 700 plus 20 plus 9.
Here there is one example given to you. Expand the following number. The number given to you is 5,01,025. First, place the digits in its place values. 5 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, 0 is in hundreds, 1 is in thousands place, 0 is in 10,000 place, and 5 is in lakhs place. How will you expand the number? You will multiply the digits with their respective place values. 5 is in which place? Lakh. So you will multiply 5 with 1 lakh plus 0 is in which place? So you will multiply 0 with 10,000 plus 1 is in thousands place, 0 is in hundreds place, so multiply 0 with 100 plus 2 is in tens place, it is 2 into 10 plus 5 is in ones place, it's 5 into 1. So the answer is 5 lakh into 10,000 is 0 plus 1000 plus 0 plus 20 plus 5. This is the expanded form of the given number. So, what is a predecessor and a successor? Predecessor, the number that comes just before the given number. Suppose the number given to you is 13. 13 is the number given to you, and the number that comes just before that is predecessor. How you got this predecessor? By simply subtracting 1 from the given number. By subtracting 1 from the given number, you will get the predecessor. Predecessor is the before number. And what is the successor? The number that comes after the given number. Here, that comes after 13, that is 14. How you got 14? You added 1 to 13. 13 plus 1, it is 14. So 14 is a successor of 13. And what is the predecessor of 13? 12. 12 is a predecessor of 13 and 14 is a successor of 13. Predecessor number, successor is the after number. To get the predecessor, you will subtract 1, and to get the successor, you will add 1. How will you compare the numbers? Comparison of numbers are used to arrange the numbers in the ascending order and in the descending order. The following symbols are used in arrangement. They are greater than, the symbol is this, less than. These symbols are used to arrange the numbers in the ascending order and in the descending order. If the numbers are equal, we use the symbol equal to. If the numbers are greater, you will use the symbol greater than. If the numbers are less than, we use the symbol less than.
Comparison of numbers. We use two rules to compare the numbers. Using two rules, we can compare two numbers to find out which number is greater or smaller or whether they are equal. What is the rule 1? Here the rule 1 is when the number of digits is different in the given numbers, the number with more number of digits is greater. If the number of digits is different in the given numbers, the number with more number of digits is greater. Then rule 2, when the numbers have the same number of digits, suppose the numbers given to you are having same number of digits. How can you compare them? You will compare the face value of the numbers from the extreme left. The number with the largest face value is the greater number. The number with the largest face value is the greater number. Here, an example is given to you. Compare the numbers 25,678 and 25,728. Count the number of digits in each of the given numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both the numbers contain 5 digits. That means the number of digits are same. So how you are going to compare the numbers? By looking at the face values. See, first number is 25,678 and the next number is 25,728. Here both the numbers come from the extreme left. In 10,000's place, both the numbers contain the digit 2 and in thousands place it is 5. Both place values are same, so go to the next place value, that is 100. In one of the numbers it is 6 and in one of the numbers it is 7. Which number is greater, 6 or 7? 7. 7 is greater than 6. So which number is greater here? 25,728 is greater than 25,678. Then, how to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order? What is the meaning of ascending order? When we arrange the numbers from the smallest to the greatest, from small to big, it is called ascending order. When we arrange the numbers from the smallest to the greatest, it is called as the ascending order. Small to big, small to big, ascending order. Then, what is descending order? When we arrange the numbers from the greatest to the smallest, it is called descending order. From the greatest to the smallest, arranging the numbers from the greatest to the smallest, it is called descending order. Big to small, big to small, it is called descending order. Small to big, it is ascending order. Big to small, it is descending order. Now, rounding off to the nearest 10. Why do you need to round off a number? Sometimes we don't need the exact value, but to find out the approximate or the near value, we need to round off the numbers to its nearest tens, hundreds, or thousands. Here we will see rounding off to the nearest 10. How will you round off a number to the nearest 10? To round off a number to the nearest 10, check the ones digit to decide whether to round up or down. If it is 5, if the ones digit is 5 or more, round up. If 4 or less, round down. Example 364. What is the ones digit here? 4. 4 is less than 5. So you will round down to 360. Lesser number. Suppose if the number is 365, what is the ones digit here? 5. It is 5. If it is 5 or more than 5, you will round up to greater number, that is 370. Next, if it is 486, what is the ones digit? 6. How will you round up to nearest 10? So you will round up to 490. Next, 4523, what is the ones digit here? 3. So you will round down to 4520. Since ones digit 3 is less than 5, you will round down to the lowest number, that is 4520. Now, rounding off a number to nearest hundred. How will you round off a number to its nearest hundred? Look at the tens digit. If the digit is 5 or more, round up, and if it is 4 or less, round down. You need to check for the tens digit here when you are rounding off a number to its nearest hundred. Here, for example, 295. What is the digit in the tens place? It is 9. Tens digit is 9. 9 is greater than 5. So round up to 300, which is greater number. Next, 523. Here, what is the digit in the tens place? It is 2. 2 is less than 5, so you will round down to the 500. 4096. Tens digit is 9. 9 is greater than 5, so you will round up to 4100. Next, 3032. Tens place, it is 3. 3 is less than 5, so round down to 3000. In this way, you will round off a number to its nearest hundred. Now, how will you round off a number to its nearest thousand? You will look at the digit in the hundreds place. If the digit is 5 or more, round up, and if the digit is 4 or less, round down. Here, when you're rounding a number to its nearest thousand, which place you should consider? You should check for the hundreds place. If the digit is 5 or more, you will round up, and if the digit is 4 or less, you will round down. Suppose, for example, the number is 18,765. What is the digit in the hundreds place? It is 7. 7 is greater than 5, so round up. Round up to 19,000. In the next example, it is 34,344. What is the digit in the hundreds place? It is 3. 3 is less than 5, so round down to 34,000. In this way, you will round off a number to its nearest tens, hundreds, and thousands. Thank you, friends, for watching my video. Please follow for more at Sri Vignan Academy. Thank you all.